Alright, first things first, we need Python installed on your computer. Let's go through these steps. Open your web browser and head over to python.org and hit enter. Once you're there, go to the download section and download the latest version of Python for your operating system. Open the installer and make sure to check the box that says add Python to path, and then hit install now and close the installer. Once the installation is done, let's check if Python is correctly installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. Just type here cmd and hit open. Then we type here python --version. We hit enter. You should see the Python version number appear. If you see that, congrats, you've successfully installed Python. Next, let's install VS Code or Visual Studio Code, which is an amazing code editor for Python and just about any other language, which is also free. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download it for your operating system. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the steps until you have Visual Studio Code installed on your operating system. And we hit install. Finish. We click on this icon here for squares and we type Python in the search bar. There it is. Now we install this one, which is developed by Microsoft. I have installed it before. Now VS Code is all set up. Let's write our first line of code. We head over to File tab, New File, and let's call it first program.py and hit enter and save it somewhere. Now there it is. Once that's done, type print hello world. And now there is it. You wrote your first line of code. Now to run your code, you can click on this run button, run Python file. And there is it. Hello world, printed in terminal. Congrats, you've just written and run your first Python program. That's it for this intro to Python. Now you are all set to dive deeper into programming and explore the power of Python. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Programming Mask.